Imagine a world where your salary arrives every second, where traditional banks are replaced by unstoppable payment streams, and where real-world assets flow directly into DeFi at lightning speed. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Two crypto projects, ZBCN, Zebec Network, and ONDO Finance, are rewriting the rules of finance. In this video, we'll uncover how Zebec and ONDO are building the foundation for the next crypto revolution, and why big institutions are quietly preparing to move in. Welcome back to Crypto Clarity, your go-to channel for deep dives into blockchain innovation. Today we're decoding ZBCN and ONDO, two names making serious noise in 2025. From real-time payments to tokenized real-world assets, these two projects might be the missing bridge between traditional finance and decentralized money, the problem they solve. Let's start with a simple truth. Traditional finance is slow. Payments take days. Payroll systems are outdated, and cross-border transfers are expensive. The DeFi world tried to fix this, but even there, one major issue remains: real-time liquidity and stability. Investors want access to stable, yield-generating assets, while businesses need instant, automated payments. That's where ZBCN and ONDO come in, two sides of the same future. ZBCN equals continuous, programmable payments. ONDO equals tokenized real-world assets like U.S. Treasuries and bonds. ZBCN, the real-time payment revolution, ZBCN has created something powerful. Real-time money streaming, instead of waiting for monthly salaries or batch transactions, you can now get paid every second automatically. It's built on Solana and expanding into Layer 2 networks and ISO 2022 compliance, which means it's future-ready for global banking integration. Businesses already use Zebec for Web3 payroll, subscriptions, and instant settlement. Imagine this: you finish a project and your payments start streaming instantly. No waiting, no intermediaries. That's the future Zebec is unlocking. ONDO, the bridge between real-world assets and DeFi. Now let's talk about ONDO Finance, one of the biggest names in tokenized real-world assets, RWAs. While Zebec handles real-time payments, ONDO is bringing traditional yield products into crypto. How? By tokenizing U.S. Treasuries and bonds and turning them into ONDO tokens that earn real yield on-chain, investors can hold assets that are safe, transparent, and yield-generating without needing a broker or bank. In simple terms, ONDO is making DeFi stable again. By connecting crypto users to the world's most trusted assets, the connection, ZBCN plus ONDO equals real-time tokenized finance. Here's where the real magic happens. When you combine ZBCN's streaming payments with ONDO's tokenized assets, you get something revolutionary. Businesses paying employees in real-time ONDO tokens, backed by real assets, investors earning streaming yield every second. A complete ecosystem where traditional finance meets programmable money. It's the foundation for DeFi 2.0. Fast, regulated, and connected to the real economy. Why this matters in 2025? In 2025, we're seeing the biggest transition ever, from speculative crypto to utility-driven finance. Governments are embracing ISO 2022 standards, and institutions are exploring tokenized funds. ZBCN and ONDO are positioned perfectly for this shift. ZBCN for instant digital payments, ONDO for regulated yield-backed tokens. Together, they're turning blockchain from a trading playground into a real financial infrastructure, future and price potential. Analysts predict that as adoption grows, ONDO's tokenized treasury model could become a $10 trillion market, and ZBCN's payment protocol could be integrated across thousands of fintech apps and DAOs. If these two continue to innovate and align with global standards like ISO 20022 and SOC 2 compliance, they won't just ride the next bull run, they'll define it. So if you're watching the future unfold, don't just look at Bitcoin or Ethereum. Keep your eyes on ZBCN and ONDO, the projects building the financial internet of tomorrow. This is not financial advice, it's financial awareness. Stay curious, stay early, and as always, stay crypto smart. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't just scroll away. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next big crypto innovation before it hits mainstream. Drop a ZBCN X ONDO in the comments if you believe real-world finance and blockchain are finally coming together. And share this video with a friend who still thinks crypto is just for traders. It's time to show them the future of money. Thanks for watching Crypto Clarity.